Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on the channel. Well, anyways guys, I'm here and I'm gonna make a house today in the sky. I'm gonna show you how to make that. But the thing is guys, I want to tell you guys a little bit about myself. So I started YouTube back in 2015, and I wasn't really sure of what I should do, like what kind of videos I should make. But the thing is guys, here, let me start it off. So there we go. So we're gonna start off with blocks and we're gonna build it up. But the thing is, I wasn't sure of what kind of content I want to create for you guys. So I was like all around the map. I did how-to videos, I did cooking videos, I did money videos, I did review videos. I was like back and forth. I was like a yo-yo. I was spinning around the whole kind of world. But the thing is guys, you have to be someone that's gonna pick something and become very specialized in it. Like right now I'm playing Minecraft, and every single day that I play I get a little better and better. And I'm not just saying that because I'm making myself sound good, but the thing is, it actually is true, because every day that I play I try to look up something and try to read a Minecraft book. It's just that's just how you get better and better eventually, and you become more skilled at your craft. So I'm gonna get rid of this guys. So now my glass house can be floating in the sky. But the thing is guys, it is 2025 guys. I'm sure if you're watching this video you want to learn how to make a glass house in the sky, or you just want to watch it because you love Minecraft. But the thing is guys, you have to pick, I would say, a nice like hobby or skill you have. And I'm sure everyone that's watching the video has a skill. It could be drawing, it could be playing the piano, it can be playing the guitar, it could be you're good at basketball, it could be whatever guys. It could be you're good at cooking. But the thing is, I want you guys this year to make a YouTube channel based on what you're good at, and be locked in guys. It's 2025 guys. Everyone is moving on social media. Everyone has a smartphone by then. I remember when I was a kid I didn't really have a smartphone, but the thing is I had an iPod. But the thing is, even back then, if I had an iPod, imagine the kids now, imagine everybody today. Everybody has an iPhone. You're walking around the mall, everyone's like addicted to their phone, like they're locked in. Like, if they don't have their phone, then the world is ending. And it's only gonna get worse and worse guys. And that's the thing, it's good to start today, because today is the day that it's never too late to start. But today is a good day to start because it's 2025, and smartphones are only gonna get bigger and better, and they're gonna sell more to everyone because everyone's buying it. The thing is, if you start a channel, there's gonna be so much users online that are going to be watching videos. They're going to be surfing the web, and they're going to come across your video guys. There's like trillions of billions of people in this world. I can't even keep count. There's people that we don't even know that exist somewhere on the planet. There could be aliens watching this video right now as we speak. But the thing is guys, you really just have to start making videos, and eventually you'll grow guys. So if there's one thing that you should take away from this video, is that right now you're living in a glass house, right? And you're too scared of messing with the wrong people, right? Because you don't want people to throw stones at your glass house, because your house is gonna crack. But the thing is, don't be afraid right now of creating content and all, because you are gonna be living in a house no matter what. No matter it's glass or brick, people are always gonna be angry. People are always gonna be throwing stones at you. But the thing is guys, if you try something new, then the sky's the limit guys. You can walk outside your glass house. And the thing is guys, reach for the stars and never give up, never back down. And that's where you can live eventually, in the sky and your glass house. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning in. This is a short video, but make sure to like and subscribe and start your YouTube channel guys. Start it now, because it is not too late. And if you get it now, you're gonna look back 20-30 years later and say, hey, I listened to this guy and I'm so proud. Thank you. You're gonna comment down below, and if you guys want to get started, say in the comments, I'm taking action, because that's the main thing you guys should take away from this video. Peace out.